How to install APK files on Android. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can head over to the settings of your Android device, tap on it, and after opening up your settings, you should be finding these options on your screen. Now from the given options, you can scroll down and head over to the option apps, this one right here, and once you locate it up, tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be finding all of your apps that you have downloaded on your device. So what you're going to do is, you're going to tap on the three dot at the top right corner of your screen, tap on it. And once you do, here you should be finding Permission Manager, Special Access, and Reset App Preferences. So go over to the second option that says Special Access, tap on it. And when you do, here you will be given these options. Now from the given options, go ahead and select the option that says Install Unknown Apps, locate it up and tap on it. And once you tap on it, what you're going to do is simply give access to the application from where you are trying to download the APK file. For example, if Chrome, all you got to do is turn this option by tapping on this toggle button, and then there you go. So that is how you install APK files from Android. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.